Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare baked potatoes. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, guys, I have some small to medium sized potatoes that I'm going to be washing them very good. So you want to get them very clean because, guys, I'm going to go ahead and dig into the skin as well. So you want to get your potatoes nice and clean. So go ahead and wash them as many times as you like. So guys, the next thing that I'm doing, I'm adding a little bit of salt to a small amount of water, and I'm just rolling the potatoes in the bowl of salted water. Now I am using a fork to pierce the potatoes before I put them in the preheated oven, guys. So guys, the potatoes have been baking for about 20 minutes now. Just checking on them. I'm still gonna allow it to bake for some more time. The potatoes have been baking for about 40 minutes now, and I'm just testing them to see if they're ready. So I'm using a fork to pierce the potatoes and to see if the fork goes down easily into the potatoes, then that would mean that they are ready. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. So guys, I'm just gonna give the potatoes an extra 5 minutes more in the oven. But before I do so, I have gone ahead and I have brushed a little bit of extra virgin olive oil onto the potatoes. So now I'll be placing them back in the oven. Now I am cutting each of the potato in two. Now I am using a spoon to scoop out the inside of the potatoes. And yes, guys, it is still hot. So I am trying to be as careful as possible. So here I have the potatoes, guys. I'm going to be adding some butter. And I'm just going to use a fork to mash the potatoes. Okay, guys, so there it is. I have mashed the potatoes with the butter. These are the other ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have some fried chicken breast, some baked ham that I've cut into smaller pieces, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, a little bit of onion powder, and black pepper. First, I am adding in a little bit of black pepper to the mashed potatoes. Then I'm adding a little bit of onion powder. And I'm just going to mix all of that in. There it is, guys. So I'm just going to stir everything in there. You can go ahead and add other things into your mashed potato like scallion. If you want to add some sweet pepper, if you want to add a little bit of hot pepper too, but you do to your liking. Now I am stuffing back the mash filling into the skin, and I'm just using a generous amount, or you just use to the amount that you think is needed. So now that I've finished stuffing the potatoes, what I'm gonna do now, guys, I am going to be putting my final ingredients on the top. So I have the cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, the chicken, and the ham. And you can go ahead, guys, and use to the amount that you prefer. I like mine with a lot of chicken and ham. So you can go ahead and use to the amount that you like. Now I'm going to be placing back the potatoes into the oven, guys, to bake for an additional 5 to 10 more minutes. So there you have it, guys. Baked potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.